Knockouts are probably the most fun things to see in all of MMA. Fans burst out in cheers and there is no more definitive end to a fight. Knockout artists become fan favorite and the ones with most one-punch knockouts are almost universally admired. Francis Ngannou is the best example of it. Let's get the countdown begin. Coming in at number 5, we have Mark Hunt vs Frank Mir. The start of the obvious edges begin in stand-up, and it was all Mark Hunt, the king of walk-offs. Being the former K1 kickboxing champion, he became known for the brutal one-punch knockouts and calm attitude inside the cage. At number 4, we have Tyron Woodley vs Josh Koscheck. Koscheck landed on the body. Woodley landed a right hand that knocks Koscheck out on his feet with his hands were down. Woodley cracks him and another Koscheck crashes to the canvas. It is all over. Tyron Woodley may be most hated, but he was loved for knocking Josh Koscheck, who was more hated than him. Coming in at number 3, we have Rampage vs Wanderlei 3. The axe murderer Wanderlei Silva is a fierce competitor who loves to come out strong, but ironically, Quinton Rampage Jackson countered with a left hook on Silva that sent him down, crashing the canvas. At number 2, we have Francis Ngannou vs Alistair Overeem. Alistair Overeem called out Francis Ngannou for the fight, the scariest thing to even imagine. Being aware of the punch power of Ngannou, Overeem started to wrestle and ended up in a clinch battle until separated by the referee. The Predator Francis Ngannou stunned the UFC with his intimidating victory over the Demolition Man Alistair Overeem. The short fight remained attached in the memories of fans due to the violent one-punch finish that put Overeem to the sleep. The uppercut from the hell, which made Ngannou and his status an overnight superstar. Coming at number 1, we have Conor McGregor vs Jose Aldo. This was the most anticipated fight in the history of UFC. Conor McGregor was keeping cool and he was loose and confident. There is no question that Jose Aldo is one of the greatest featherweight in the history of mixed martial arts. Before the opening of the first round, they refused to touch gloves and went immediately into combat. Aldo charged the foot forward and with a right-left punch combination, McGregor moved backward and connected with a left hook that landed on Aldo's chin and rendered him unconscious. McGregor started pounding Aldo with more lefts, and the referee John McCarthy had no choice to step in and stopped it just after 13 seconds, a new record for the title. This propelled the Irishman's status to the new horizons. Thank you for watching till the end.